Welcome back to the channel. Got another ride-in review today. The place is called FRITES Bistro. French spot. It's up in Hell's Kitchen. Bringing 2 guests with me. We could try a good amount of stuff. All right, the crazies are out. Oh, White Castle, baby. Hold on a second. Pit stop. White Castle. Coming soon. That's good to know. The closest one for me is like 116th and 1st Avenue, which is, you know, it's a hike. I'm excited. Love me some White Castle. Oh, puddles. Christmas trees and puddles. This is a crowded street, jeez. All right, here it is. FRITES Bistro. All right, I'll see you guys on the inside. Thank you, sir.
Dominic Bistro by the village. This kind of looks like it.
Got some tartare, pate. Oh, what's that?
Yes, oh. Get mine. I'm just gonna let him finish up. So what they just did in poker is called going. Thank you, sir. Yeah, the fly's really nice. Do a little knifing.
Look at that, beautiful. Cote de boeuf.
Sorry about this.
Just do it.
You good with the butter?
Baby, I'm buddy all free.
Yeah, go for it.
This is the. So it's nice. Let me help you out. Thank you.
Fry City.
Would you guys like side plates? I know there's a lot of plates on it.
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm ready. From high up. That place was good. To sum it up, burger, fries, hanger steak, escargot. The top items to get. You should jump out to the website johnnyprimesteaks.com for the full review. As usual, thank you for watching. Tell your friends and tell your fucking grandma.